Hey kiddos, this is Miss Espinoza, and today I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. You have an assignment. So I have posted the assignment in your class. I'm trying not to do that. Try not to do the crack up so you can't understand me. Okay, here's the assignment. Go in, you do it. So first you're just going to tell me what you think on each of these things. You're going to say whatever you want. You're going to either agree, disagree, agree, whatever. So, or you could just go like that if you want. I don't care. So each one, I care because I really want to see what you think. But it's just a little precursor. Then each time you're going to click on this. So I've given you instructions. Please follow the link, read through Khan Academy, The Truth About Your Brain, write 3 takeaways from the article. So you're going to pull up the article. And the article has a nice little thing right here. And then you can read the next article. And there's videos to watch in there.
We know that our brain is what makes us.
Okay. But then you're going to continue down and finish the article. Oh, and there's another video. Okay. And then there's a next article. But let's go back to the assignment. Okay. Each one has different sets of things to do. Please follow the link, read through the Khan Academy, The Truth About Your Brain, How to Grow Your Brain. Please list 3 things that help you grow your brain. And then you can learn anything. Please answer all the questions listed in the reflection part. Here is some reflection. Answer those. Try and okay, I'm going to try and get done as soon as possible here. Each one of these, there's lots of them. Ladies and gentlemen, each one has a link to go through and activities to do. And then you hit submit. And that is your assignment for today. All of my classes are doing growth mindset. I hope this is going out of my chest as soon as possible. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I will talk to you soon. Hopefully I'll see you soon. All right. And there you go.